nzikirize emyaka gyegyo banange mwenna tubebaza okukeera wano ne mubeerawo Spice Diana. Buli ali wano, thank you so much. Abamawulire, Spice Gadgets, abayimbi mwenna, thank you so much. For sponsors, mwebale. Spice. Ntera namuyita baby girl because Spice ali real. Emikwano gy'abayimbi giba mizibu. I for one, sijja nina emingi. Era it's rare. Ndwawo ogamba nti nsanze nti ndine gundi sibalinaako buzibu. Naye omuntu asobola okugamba nti I think you need this kind of photographer to bring out this. I think you need this. Like, totally selfish. Yeah. Ngabwe bagambye nti olwa get down nasooka agamba generations ziyinza okubazawukanamu a little bit, you know. Mulimu ebintu byoba totwalanga byamaanyi. You're like, I'll use my phone to take a picture. Chiba chimada, you know. And then she'll tell you, the first photographer gwe nafuna mantambula naye. I think Spicy amufunira. Like, you know, you need a photographer, no musaba contacts, she's not selfish, she'll call that person, aba connecting it. Totally selfish. Atenge ekyo kimanyiddwa nnyo mu bakyala, you know. But Spice, thank you for being here. Totally regular. Ate bambi kaagaliza ndoza era kyetu mutaba selfish. N'ekirala, in this industry ng'omukyala, as a young woman, young lady nga Spice, openinze nnyo amaaso ebintu bingi nnyo. Mulimu ebintu abasinga abayimbi wano bali bateefiirako, you know, like how you dress, how to, you know, ayongeddemu nga omuyita nti she's a star girl. Ayongeddemu. Ekintu akyongeddemu and then you're like, ooh, you know, not like an industry of ruler. I'm telling you, we should be grateful for Spice Diana. You know, industry, yeyongeddemu ko, there's that, yeah, what is it called? She's always coming up with something new. Yes, showbiz, you know, she has branded herself so well. You know, not about Delanti. Omiyimbi is not all about singing, going on stage, making that money, go back home and sleep. You have to think of other things as well. Yeah? So, nze sijja kukwekereza wamma. Tukulabirako, yadde tuli bakulubo. Okitegeera. There's some things we see, no gamba, akaana kano, nze kaita akaana ako. I don't know if it upsets you, but I feel like, akaana kano kalabi, you know, nekakuba ekifaananyi nga kya ttabbu, nga ne Beyonce tannakifulumya. Just saying, honestly, you know, I'm here because I'm grateful. You're real. Webali kugatta abayimbi abasinga obagatta. I don't know how we do that. Abantu abasinga bakolagana naawe in ways of, you know, they come to your home, they are close to you. It's not easy. It's not easy. Abayimbi tulina obuyisa bwaffe. Buli omu alina obuyisa bwe. But obugatta abantu in one place, it means a lot. It says a lot about you. So come 10th January, we're ready to support you, baby girl. Wow. I have my table one. Yeah. Kubanze ne concert yange, when I was getting my costumes ready, she was part of the costume team. So Spice, thank you. Thank you for being who you are.
Thank you so much. Nyumba, oh, Wanji. Rema, kaimba cha.
Nikam kind of vibe yako.
Wanji, kankwe Mikey.
There's a song Mr. Lee wrote for me, Bakaita Dr. Ali. twali mu studio nga kayimba ndowooza ku Rema.
Go wayimbira Hamza akayimba. Spicy. So toyina kali specific.
Omutima obusinga mbwagala.
Okay.
Baby boy onsanula. Baby boy onsanula. That was a hit.
What about a remix?
Baby Jamondabe. That was a different vibe of it. Baby Jamondabe. No Jamondabe. Why don't you touch my body? That was nice too.
Thank you so much, Rema Namakula. Another round of applause.
Diana, I'm so proud of you. And also for something actually this big, celebrating 10 years in the business. It is not, hey, how are you guys? Hi. You okay? Temundaba? Zebalaba. Yes, I hope you're okay. Yeah, I'm done. I'm so happy for you to be here, that you're celebrating 10 years in the business. And I'm so happy to here to support you as you celebrate your 10 years in the business. You're my friend. In fact, you're my gango. People don't know things. We share things. not Lugambwe, but real things. Me and Diana share things, and she's a very good friend to me. Era mutawanya nnyo, and she knows it. Era simyange wagira baba ino jikwata amanya it's urgent. Tajitwala for granted. Era wajimisinga. She calls back and says, Carol, are you okay? I found your missed call. So it's we have very many friends in the industry. I'm friends to very many artists. In fact, every artist, Mukwano Gwangi. But it is unique and funny how I found a very good friend in Diana. And I don't take our friendship for granted. I respect it very much because she also respects it a lot, and I see it in her. Mulabanga fayo nyo kulaba we are friends into the 20s in everywhere. And Diana is very, very real, Banange, and you guys real knows real. Because me, I'm the realest person. So being Diana's friend, it's not by mistake. I'm her friend because she's a real person. She'll tell you Tonyomie, and she'll tell you Onyomie. Like in your face, na touch quest. So it's why I like her so much, and she tries so much. Like Nagamba ne Karo, gezako chino kale wapenanga no mtongo nene sibifa konyo. Na yabe obero mulabanga fa konyo. Try this, try this, try this, try that. She's a person abedanga kugatako, and every time when we meet, we talk emboze zitu zimba. It's rare for us to talk about ebitatu zimba. We're always talking about echidako. It's why we managed to have a song together after being friends in a very short time. Because we came close in a short time, and then boom, we had the collaboration together. Because every time we are together, we're talking about chi echigendo kutugata, echigendo how do we get from here to there? And thank you for being that kind of friend. So, come 10 January, I am gonna be there, like your sister, like a good friend to you, like you are to me. And you have my table there. Mama Sao, very much. I'm going to make sure I move around with you when I can, so we can source more tables together, because I know you would do that for me as well. So I wish you all the best. Come 10th January. Please come and support Spice Diana, Spice Mommy, and the media. Wanji? I confirm what? You want me to pay for the table from here? Then I don't want this to be about me. That's how I was brought up. Today is about Spice Diana, and I'll pay for her table. It's not about what is happening today. So I'll pay for my table, and you know I will. And I'll pick Masao, and I'll support you, honey. And I'll make sure to and the media houses, please, let's push Diana's concert like nyo. So Achifunamo in a good way. Thank you for being here.
Thank you so much, Carol. Bajanga backstage kuyimba sebitu bigenda bichukira ddala artists supporting fellow artists, which is a very good gesture. Actually, Spice Diana ne team ya Source Management bazenga bagula tables ezenjawulo kubivula ebyenjawulo ebyabayimbi bannaabwe, so it's a good gesture to see that love coming back to her. So every artist in the building, aguze table bambi mwebale nnyo.